I welcome you all to this AI mastering class by Journal Company. So, from our previous lesson, we were able to create our product, okay, and then also we were able to create our ebook cover, all right. And now the next thing now is how do you now sell this product, okay? How do you sell your ebook? And today, that is what we are going to be doing in this lesson. I'm going to be guiding you on how to sell this product, okay? But you need to take note, I'm not promising you a immediate result, okay? You need to put in some effort, all right? But I'm going to show you the funnels in which you can use to sell this product, okay? And we are going to be making use, there are several ways in which you can actually sell your product. You can sell it on Facebook Market. You can sell it by running an advert. You can you can actually sell it on Seller. You can sell it on your funnels. If you have a website, you can sell it. For me, I mostly sell my product on my website, okay, and also on Seller. And in today's video, but on the website, yeah, as a beginner, it's going to be more expensive as you have to build your own website, like building your own funnels. All right, so we are going to be looking at the Seller, okay? We are going to be selling our product using Seller. Seller is actually like a furnace where you can host your digital product, and then you get it, and then you get people to either buy the product, or you get people to help you to sell the product. There are some affiliate marketer that are waiting for you to drop a product, and then they help you to actually sell the product. All right, so let's head over to our Seller and create our product, put in our product. Let's get into Seller and then create the product, put our product out there for people to start by. Seller is just like a store where people come to purchase a particular product. All right, so now let's head over to our Seller. So you just have to come here and search for Seller, okay, as you can see. Okay, so as a new beginner, immediately you come to the site, they are going to ask you to either create an account or you log in. For me, I've already have an account, and there are two types of accounts on Seller, either a creator profile or an affiliate profile. Okay, you just have to create an account and create any of these profile. Okay, if you click here, you are going to see the account. As you can see, I'm currently on a creator account, and also switch to affiliate profile. That is if I want to switch to the affiliate program. That is if I want to switch to the affiliate profile. Now, let me explain this to you. The creator profile is for you that have your own product. As a creator, you have a product that you want to sell. Then you need to, the profile that you need to create need to be a creator's profile. But as an but if you want to sell other people's products like an affiliate marketer, then you need to create the affiliate profile. All right, you understand the two, right? And then as a creator's account, as a creator, and then if you have a creator profile, you can put your product out there for affiliate marketer to sell it for you also. Okay, you just have to sit down, relax, create the product, put it there. They just help you to sell, they do the marketing, everything. You just sit down, but you give them a commission depending on how you want, from 30% and above. Okay, but you cannot give them less than 30% of the product. Okay, for example, your product is 10,000 naira. If they sell the product for you, you are going to give them 3,000 naira from the product, from the money, right? So they earn that commission. And if you can allow them to take 50%. Okay, it depends on how you want, but it must not be less than 30%. All right, so that is how it works. For me, for the purpose of this video, we have a product that we want to market. We want to put it on Seller, right? So we need to stay on the creator's profile. Okay, so leave it here, and then let's go. And then as you can see here, some product that I have. So as you can see, yeah, so I even make a sales yesterday. So that is it. So now you just have to go ahead and click as a creator, go ahead and click this add product. Okay, and then here's the product, the type of product that you can sell on Seller. As you can see, digital product, ticket, masterclass, services. For example, if you have a services that you render, you can put it here. People come and rent you. And then subscription, cost hosted on Seller, membership, and blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now the next thing that you need to do, we want to create a digital product. Our ebook is a digital product. Go ahead and create digital product. and then here's the setting everything. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is, if you look very well, say your image need to be like, you bring in the image of the product. Okay, the image of the product, and this is where your ebook cover that we created comes in. Okay, so what you need to do is to go ahead and click here to bring in your ebook cover, because that is what is just like a thumbnail. That is what is going to be showing, okay, when people visit. Okay, bring in the ebook cover. That is what people will see, so make sure you make it eye catchy. Okay, make sure it is eye catchy, and this is the recommended size. Okay, 30 30 by 30, 300 by 300 pixel. Okay, 300 by 300 pixel. Okay, and then the name of your product. Okay, the name of your product, let me see, how to, the name of my product is how to invest in the Nigerian how to invest in the Nigeria stock market, right? So that's the name of the product, how to invest in the Nigeria stock market. And then sales price. Okay, let me say my price is 10,000. Okay, let's say the price is 10,000 naira, and then by default, yes, set the price of your local currency, blah blah blah. What they are trying to say, by default, you set the price of your local currency. Like, yes, one good thing about Seller is that this product, anybody can purchase this product either from US, from Canada, from, within African countries. By default, it's going to be in naira, but anybody want to buy from US, the money will automatically be converted. Like, the person will pay in dollar, but it will be converted automatically into your account. Okay, so you don't need to panic about, oh, uh, I need to create a dollar account, I need to create this. No, you don't need that. Okay, Seller will handle it for you automatically. All right, so that's what they are trying to say. But you can change it if you want to be collecting on dollar only. You can change it here. And then the next thing, show strike, and then the next thing, show strike out original price. What I'm trying to tell you is that, like, this particular price is supposed to be, let me say the sales price is this, let me say the original price, let me say the real price of this particular product is 50,000, but because you want to sell it for 10,000 naira, you must have seen it. You have to strike it out, maybe on Jumia or on so many products, so you can click it, and then you put the this one, it says price, show strike out original price. Okay, original price. Now this is the original price. Let me say the original price supposed to be 50,000. Okay, but I'm selling it the sales price. This is the real price that they are going to be paying, but the price is supposed to be 50,000 naira. So you put it that way, and then the next thing is to put the description of your product. Let me say, let me say, let me just write something. This ebook This ebook guide you on how to invest in the Nigeria stock market. Okay, let's just leave it there. And then the next thing, seller describing category. The next thing is categories of your product. Okay, choose a category that this product belongs to. Okay, this is should be investment or business, whatever. It should be investment, wealth and finance. Okay. Let me choose that category. The category that your product belongs to. All right, and then subcategory. You can choose the subcategory also. Okay, finance management, saving, investing. Okay, it's about investing. All right, and then product variation. This product has multiple variation, like different tire package. No, it doesn't have, so I'm going to leave it. Do you want to upsell or and cross sell, advanced option, blah blah blah? But me, I'm not doing that one. If you want to do that, you need to pay. It's an advanced feature. Okay, product type, digital product, leave it like that. See, you can select it if it is services or whatever, but this is digital product. Okay, pre-order, if you want to allow pre-order, you can go ahead and select it. And then setting category. Okay, select, you can create a custom category. Maybe you want to, maybe you sell so many products, it's just like a playlist. Let me put it like that, it's just like a playlist. This custom categories, maybe you have set plenty products, you can, categorize it. Okay, and then file access type. Okay, then this is the time that you need to bring in the file, the ebook that we created. Okay, we converted it to PDF, right? You just have to go ahead and upload the ebook. Which type? Well, is PDF. So go ahead and click it. Put it is PDF. So you just have to go ahead and bring it. So let me say the ebook that we created is on download, right? It should be here. Okay, so this is it. So let me say this is my product. Okay, I just bring it here, and then the next thing automatically redirect the buyer to an external after purchase. Like immediately someone purchase this product, where do you want to direct them to? Your For me, I always want to direct them to myself, because so that I'll be able to create a particular group in order to support it in case if they need question and answer, or for me to still sell another product to them. All right, so you can put your group link, or maybe your website, or maybe your WhatsApp handle. For me, I always redirect them, and then go ahead and provide your handle. Okay, I always look at it. This is my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp link. So this immediately they purchase this product, they'll be redirected to me automatically. Okay, so that is it. So make sure to do it if you like. And if you don't want them to be redirected to you, there's no big deal. You have to leave it. And then our product is ready. So the next thing to do now is to go ahead and click, you see, by create product. Okay, you see, by success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at blah blah blah. Okay, look at the link. So if you send anybody this link and they make a and they make a purchase, the money is going to enter your seller's account. Okay, so this is the product link. So this is the link that you have to be shared. So this is the link that you need to be so this is the link that you are going to distribute to people. Anybody that wants to buy the product, you give the link to that person. All right, so this is how it is done. So I'll have to copy this particular link and maybe send it to anywhere, maybe a group or your website. You just have to go ahead and put it there. All right, let me go ahead and copy link address. Okay, but there's something that you need to do. Okay, but there's something that I want to you may But you may ask, if someone buy this product, how do you now receive your money? Okay, because a lot of you because a lot of you want to ask that question. Okay, so this is how to go about it. Immediately you set up your account, you create a product, everything, or before you even create the product, come to your profile here, and then you are going to see you are going to search, look for setting, under setting, look for payout. You see by setting, then payout. Look for payout setting. Okay, payout setting. All right. Okay, and then you are going to see but you if you want the payout setting to be automatic, or if you want the payout setting to be automatically every Monday, I be Tuesday, our seller used to pay every Monday. So that is when seller will pay you in Nigeria. Okay, and as you can see, you are going to see, as a new beginner, if you never add your account, they are going to ask you to add your account. You see, but and if you want to change your account, look at it. Okay, so now click this change. As a new beginner, you are going to see add instead of this change. Then you add your account details. Okay, your account name, everything. So I want to change the account. See, as bank, select the bank account, and then let me see, come here, select the bank that you want to provide. Let me see, I want to provide Access Bank, and then the account number. You go ahead and provide the account number. And then if you put your account number, you select the banks, put your account number, go ahead and click verify account details. Okay, it should bring your name. Okay, immediately you see, but it brought my name immediately, mean the account is correct. Enter your current password. All right. Okay, and then click continue. Okay, so you see, but now my account has been changed. All right. So this is how to add your bank account to your seller. All right. Immediately you do this, you should see an email that say, oh, blah blah blah, you have changed your account number. All right, so these are to so immediately someone purchase a product. Okay, immediately someone purchase your product, you are going to see it. Okay, you are going to see the next payout. Let me show you. Okay, so if you come to your profile, okay, come to your profile, scroll down, you are going to see payout, wallet and payout. Okay, go ahead and click this wallet and payout. You are going to see upcoming payout. You are going to see, so this is my next payout. This, it should be on the 14th. Okay, okay, look at it. This week I only made one sales, and as you can see, which is $6, $6.7. You can see, so they are going to pay me this money on the 14th of December, right? So that's my next payout. And also you can make some changes if you want to. Okay, if you look very well, come to this setting, make some changes. There are a lot of changes here. You see affiliate. If you want to, if you want people to start selling your this thing, you need to allow it. Go ahead and make the setting. Then people, someone else can actually promote your product, and then they get a commission. All right, so that is it. So just play around with the setting, everything the way you want it. You see payout setting, legal pages. If you want to buy a domain, that instead of seller.com .me the product, the thing will be your name. Like this seller.com is not going to be there. You can add your store name there. That is if you purchase a domain from them. You see, if you want to get your own custom domain, instead of this seller.com .me, is going to be maybe your name, like journal. I can say journalcompany.com, blah blah blah, like that. So this seller is not going to be there again. You have your own domain, and then you can create your own email. Okay, custom email that someone buy from you. You can send them email directly. It's going to be you. All right, so that's how to go about it. Okay, so now after you create your product, the next thing that you need to do, how you set up everything, just go ahead and copy this particular link. If you copy this link, then you need to make sure, you need, then the next thing to do is to create an awareness. Create an awareness so that people will get to see your product. You can, as a creator, maybe if you're a content creator, you can actually start putting it on maybe your status. Maybe if you create a particular video, you put it on your product, that oh, you have so product, right? And then you get to sell it. Okay, so that is how to go about it. Like this, I can cover this link, put it on my YouTube channel, and then anybody watch the video, I tell them, oh, blah blah blah, I have so product, they'll buy, or send it. Or you can, some people actually will run a Facebook ad to promote their product. They will just put this link there. Anybody buy, you get, anybody that buy it, then the money will enter into your account. Okay, so, and also you can send it to maybe any of your friend or anybody that is in need. You just need to make sure that this link is visible. Let people know. Create a portfolio. Okay, create a portfolio. Oh, you said so thing, you are into this, just be dropping the link, and then people get to see what you are saying. Or you can, if you want to run art, you can run art. You can reach out to maybe anybody that is growing, that have a followers. You can tell the person, oh, I sell so product, help me to put the link. Like, just make sure your link is visible. Make sure the product is visible out there, because that is how people is going to get to buy it. Okay, and also allow affiliate marketer to promote your good is also a good idea. Don't think that, oh, you want to be the only one that will eat all the money. No, allow people to help you to sell it, and then you get product. I hope you find this model helpful, right? You are able to create a product, create the cover, and also now we now know how to sell our product. Okay, don't relent. Okay, you go ahead, put everything that we just learned, put it in practice, and you are going to see that it's going to help you. You are going to see, even me, I'm going to be, any video I create now, I'm going to be putting my product, and then I get to make sales from it. And also I'm going to run an advert concerning all my product that I'm creating, and it's going to help me so much. So thank you for sticking with me to the very end of this video. All right, see you in the next module. Thank you and bye. I'm Big John, as per usual friend. Hand to head, salute, bye.